Hey everybody, this is Wendy. Welcome. I'm so excited that you're here today. I have this adorable Thieves gift box to show you. So if you want to be able to print this little picture here to have this for your files, just go over to my website at loveandstampin.com and you can click on the photo and print from your computer. All right, so we need to do some scoring, and I've got my new pick tool that you can get in the holiday catalog. And I'm scoring along the 6.5 inch side first. Doesn't really matter which side you start on, but on the 6.5 inch side, you're gonna wanna score it 1/2 inch, 1.5, and 5.5. Then I turned it and I scored on the 5 3/4 side at 1/4 inch, 1 1/4, 3 inches, and 4 inches. Then I'm going to fold on all my score lines and put my box together. But before I do that, I have to do a little bit of cutting on score lines and trimming away. That is why I created a diagram for you so that you could see all the places that need to be cut, because I fast forward this video so it moved a little bit faster. So basically you need to cut off the tab here at the top of the box, all except for one. And on this one, I did the middle tab I left on the top, but I found that it's actually better to leave this tab that I'm cutting off here at the back on. So there's that piece of info for you. You can do that with that what you'd like, but essentially you need to have one piece at the top of the box that's long, and that's your lid, and then the other pieces can be you cut shorter. Okay, so I also wanted to just share with you that all the products that I use to create this box are listed below. However, this paper and the stamp set are not available until September 5th. Now, I did create some of these boxes using the Nature's Poem Designer Series paper, and that's available now along with the other stuff that I used. The scoreboard's available, all the other products. It's just this particular paper. This is the Festive Farmhouse paper, and the stamp set that I'm going to use to decorate this box with are both going to be available on September 5th. Then you can see I'm just adding tear and tape adhesive in all the appropriate spots. So one on the little tab that'll close the box, and then some on the tabs at the bottom, and that will close the bottom of the box. And basically it's a really simple box to put together. I measured out my Thieves hand purifier that I'm putting in this, and then I created the dimensions of the box around that. So I knew what size I would need, and then based on that, I did all the dimensions. So super cute box. I'm giving these to the teachers at the school, a few of them, because it's back to school time and there's lots of germs where kids are involved. So I thought it would be fun to do that. So here's the Thieves hand purifier. It's from Young Living. I do sell it. If you want some of it, you can purchase it over on my blog. I have a link there. This is the stamp set I used, and it says, "May your Christmas be." This is the image I used, "May your Christmas be." And then I took letter stamps and I created underneath it germ free, because I thought that would be really funny. So this particular box I won't be giving to the teacher until the end of the school year, or the end of our first quarter when we go on Christmas break, and I'll give that to her then, because I thought it would be cute and funny. All right, if you want to see other videos from me, you can click on either one of the images that you see here. Click on the little circle with my face in it to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.